Hey everyone, Alex here, a 27-year-old content creator in South Africa. And as a lot of you know that as a content creator, there are a lot of things that you just have to do yourself, alright? From audio capturing, lighting setup, even talking to the camera, and a lot more. Something that I really like to do, alright, something that I'm good at, and that's video editing. This may come as a surprise to you, but actually I tried other editing softwares before I started using Filmora, and actually as a fun fact, there was no one by the name of CapCut back then. Programs like Movavi, they didn't have enough resources back then, alright, like effects and so forth, so I had to go with Filmora because it was better than that, right? And when you talk about DaVinci Resolve, it's a whole different story, alright? They had everything, but it was very hard to learn, you know? Unlike Filmora, it's very easy to use, beginner friendly, and everything is that simple. And when you talk about industry professionals like Premiere Pro, you know, they were just a little more expensive. Like you couldn't even access the software before paying. Unlike Filmora, you know, you could download the software, start using it, explore all the features, effects, and everything without even paying a dime. And that was a real good advantage. You know what they say? Birds of the same feather grow together. And that's exactly me and Filmora. I used Filmora 9, upgraded to Filmora X, Filmora 11, 12, 13, 14, and right now Filmora 15. And in those updates, Filmora has been amazing. I mean, wonderful features like keyframes, compound clips, color wheels, and a whole bunch of AI tools, including the trending VO3. And of course, there's no journey that is completely perfect. Like, I had some challenges with Filmora, and some of those challenges are still slowing me down today. Alright, let's talk about keyframes. Alright, the keyframing panel in Filmora 13, it was on the properties, but right now is down in the timeline. Alright, and that really slows me down. Maybe there's no need to remove it from the timeline, but there should be another way to access the keyframing panel without having to open it down in the timeline. Alright? Hollywood level of color grading like DaVinci Resolve, Hollywood level of VFX like After Effects, and of course the last one is not very strange. I mean, every Filmora user is talking about it. I really wish if we can also have the 3D camera tracking feature in Filmora. Not just as an editing program, but also as a brand, Filmora has made my content creation journey much more easier. I have partnered with a lot of brands like HitPo, Clipchamp, FlexClip, Surflex, and all of them in their proposal emails, they were like, we saw your Filmora tutorials. And honestly guys, creativity grows when passion meets the right tool. And with Filmora, you will never go wrong. If you haven't already, use the very first link in the description of this video and it will take you to the Filmora website and download it for free and just give it a try. You will see wonders.